bola, pass to Sabit, Sabit, and a whistle. Jersey number 1, Maimon foul. Sabit, first goal, 1 point. Second throw, Sabit, 2 for 2 by players. Sabit, nampil pa. Santiago, pass to Sabit, Sabit, fake the rest. Sabit, no look, pass to Valdera. Yes, sir. 2 points para player Valdera. Santiago, pass to Sabit. Sabit drives to Valdera. Yes, sir. Bago pa rin, pass to Gunday. Gunday drives. Pass to Sabit. Good for 2. Player Sabit. Santiago to Sabit. Ang gandang pasa kay Valdera. Bagay kay Sabit. Sabit. Yo-yo pa. Yes, sir. Good for 2. Solitario, pasa kay Sabit, Sabit, and a whistle. May kasama kong foul.
Time out.
Sabit. Goes throw. Yes, sir. Complete rebound para kay Kunday fires. Napitawan, pass to Valdera. Good for 2. Valdera nagbaba ng bola. Valdera, no look, pass to Sabit. Good for 2. Valdera, green. No good, rebound, Sabit, put back, good for 2. Rebound Sabit, pass to Solitario, bigay kay Sabit, Sabit pass, Sabit, 3 points para sa Pilpang. Solitario, bounce to Santiago drives, put back ni Sabit. Good, no good, rebound, Gunday. Balik sa labas kay Sabit for 3. Yes sir! Sabit 3 points. Ito na lang po.
Nagkikip na lang kape. Kuya, pasuyo nga kape kuya.
Shout out kay Coach Teddy Magtira.